What's up, guys? It's Monday again. Basically what we're doing today is actually launching my own ads. So I'm going to be hopefully editing some more later, but I got to launch my own ads. I got to launch some client ads, that chiropractor, those ads that we made. We're not going to do any cold calling today. You know, we got our goals written up on the board here. Let's go ahead and take a look at them for the week. So we got 100 cold calls we're going to do this week, which I think is a little less than I should be, but I got a ton of other stuff to do, honestly, as well as like building the website and stuff. I think I'm actually going to go through WordPress. I was going to do Squarespace, but I think WordPress is kind of the vibe that I'm getting. I talked to somebody who really knows a lot about that stuff. Long form videos on YouTube, so gonna actually be posting some more digital marketing stuff on my end, similar to kind of like these vlogs. I'm not gonna count the vlogs though, just because they're daily, you know what I mean, whatever. It's just my process. So I actually did already pay for Go High Level. I know you guys can't see this, but basically I use Go High Level to lead nurture. If you guys don't know a lot about that stuff, maybe I'll make a video on it, or I'll just show you the processes later in this vlog. But Go High Level is a key part when running ads. So when you actually get those leads, you can nurture them, turn them into clients, turn them into sales. Have 3 meetings booked. That's just like, you know, hopefully some of my cold outreach ends up working. I already went to the chamber meeting. That was last week, so I can erase that. But that was that networking event that I went through, which I still got to call those guys. I still have their cards sitting in my car, but I'm not going to call them on a Monday because on Mondays are really, really busy. I want to have a good conversation with them, so I'm going to wait till Tuesday, tomorrow. Watch school content, so that's going to be watch more of my mentorship stuff, process that, consume it more, and yeah, start doing some website SEO, as well as just building the website. So I got a lot on my plate this week, but, you know, just got to eat it one bite at a time, you know, and hopefully stay dedicated. Woke up feeling a little shit today, not gonna lie, guys. Woke up a little later, but just super sore, man. I mean, 5 days in the gym, going crazy. It hurts, bro. I'm not gonna lie, like, I am sore, but I am starting to see some good results, and even though I haven't lost a lot of weight, I've actually been staying around 200 pounds, but I've just been feeling much stronger, looking much leaner, especially for 200 pounds. I remember when I was 200 pounds in high school, I was all chunk, and now I look a little thinner and I'm getting muscle. So, you know, if we were to cut, I'm sure I would look even more muscular and see more results, but I'm just going to keep getting in the gym and doing it, guys. So that's going to be the start of this vlog, little Monday. And yeah, let's get to work. All right, little midday update. Just got done with the gym. I just want to say that I think I'm getting sick or something because, dude, the brain fog today was nasty, boys. Nasty. We still were able to post our own ad, as well as check out the chiropractor ad, which I know I've been saying that for a while, but he actually paid me. Everything's through. So the rest of the process is just maybe checking out the automations and stuff and changing it. By the way, this is not my crib. This is my parents' crib. Shout out to the parents. You know, when starting your own business, money is not coming in like crazy, so you leverage everything you can, boys, all right? And let me tell you, I am very grateful to be here. Regardless, yeah, brain fog was crazy today, guys. I really need to formulate a good plan because I do need to do some cold calls tomorrow, okay? I got some highly interested people, so hopefully we're going to be able to book some meetings tomorrow. I'm expecting at least 2 meetings tomorrow, guys, booked in because, you know, I know some highly interested people. I've been making my rounds. It's time to convert, guys. It's time to get those clients back and start really pushing for greatness here. But, yeah, still went to the gym today even though I felt like shit. I really do feel like terrible. I really can't explain it. It's just like I can't even think. But it is okay. You know, I'm not going to beat myself up too much. Just, you know, really focus in tonight. Have some good to-do lists. And then, sorry, guys, I just saw an email. Anyway, really focus in and just have a good plan for tomorrow. Make sure I'm utilizing all the time I can. My girlfriend's about to be on vacation for a little bit. So I'm going to have a lot more time to focus on business and other stuff. Not saying she distracts me, but I'm just not going to have her around. So honestly, I'm going to be able to put more time into it. And, you know, I'm looking forward to some really productive days, guys. So I'm going to take care of myself, and that's probably where I'm going to end the vlog. But genuinely, guys, today was a decent day. I got a decent amount done, but not nearly as much as I could be and I should be. So, you know, we're going to come at it tomorrow, and you guys remember the board we went over. So maybe I'll even work on my website a little bit tonight, but either way, it's quite the process, guys. We are still in getting out of the mud, and, pretty far from hiring somebody, but I'm looking forward to it. So I'm going to catch you guys in the next one, and Tuesday's going to be a better day for show. Peace.